In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute Google Meet using keyboard shortcuts. This quick tutorial is designed to help you streamline your Google Meet experience, making it more efficient, especially if you find yourself needing to mute and unmute frequently during meetings. First things first, let's dive into how you can set this up. Begin by navigating to the Google Meet website. If you haven't already signed in, take a moment to do so with your account credentials. Once logged in, you're greeted with a few options for starting or joining a meeting. For now, click on the New Meeting button to create a new session. This is just the initial step to access the settings, so don't worry about actually hosting a meeting. After clicking New Meeting, you'll see an option to Start an Instant Meeting. Go ahead and select this. It's a convenient way to access the meeting interface where we can adjust our settings. Upon starting the meeting, your screen may look a bit busy, but what we're interested in is located in the bottom right corner. Look for three dots, this is the menu button, and clicking it will open up additional options. Within this menu, find and click on Settings. This is where Google Meet allows you to customize your meeting preferences, including video, audio, and more. Since we're focusing on muting capabilities, click on the Audio tab next. Here you'll find various audio settings that Google Meet offers, including microphone adjustments and more. To enable the push to talk feature, which allows us to mute and unmute using a keyboard shortcut, turn on push to talk. With push to talk enabled, you're all set. Moving forward, anytime you're in a Google Meet session and need to quickly mute or unmute yourself, simply press the spacebar. It's a seamless way to control your audio without having to click through multiple options. Remember, this setting is particularly useful during meetings when you're frequently switching between speaking and listening. It helps minimize background noise and ensures that the focus remains on the speaker. Plus, using the spacebar to control your audio is a quick and easy method that can be a real time saver. And there you have it. You now know how to set up and use the push to talk feature in Google Meet, allowing you to mute and unmute with the simple press of a button. This small adjustment can significantly enhance your Google Meet experience by making it more efficient and convenient to manage your audio. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found these instructions helpful. Enjoy your more streamlined and efficient Google Meet sessions.